Guys, welcome to an online chess class. This question says evaluate 101.5 square minus 100.5 square. We're going to address this particular question in tiny sectors, or we're going to divide it into different segments. Then we'll now solve it in a whole in the last stage. Now, for the first stage, let's address this one first. This says 101.5 square. We have to get the answer to this as step one, answer to this operation as step two, subtract it, then we can now look for the answer. So let's dive right into it with solution somewhere around here. So let's take 101.5 square. What does it mean? It means 101.5 times 101.5. What I'm going to show to you now is we're going to remove this point so we can have an operation where we have 1015 times 1015. But where did the point go? This point, let's have it here as point 1, second one point 1, add it together, you have point 2. So we're going to return the point to two decimal places in the answer. This point 1 indicates one decimal place and one decimal place, so two decimal places when we get our answer. So let's multiply out. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, that's 7. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 0, 0, 0, 0. Clean this one. So 0. Now for the last one, we have 5, 1, 0, and 1. Then we sum it all. 5 comes down. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 carry 1. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus that's 1, 2. 5 plus 5 here is 10. Carry 1. Put the 1 over here. So this is the 1. 1 plus 1, 0 is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Then 0 comes down. Clean this line. Then 1. So when I evaluated this particular operation, I get 1030225. But this point has to come back. So remember we have point two decimal places. So we're going to start from the back here and count it backwards. So 1 and 2. So we're going to put the point after these two. So we have this value as 10,302.25. We've just evaluated this particular identity. For the next identity, let's evaluate it. It will be 100.5 square will give us 100, then 5, 105. Remember, we have point and point. So I remove point 1 plus point 1, give us point 2 decimal places. So I'm going to multiply out now because I removed the point to come back in the final result. So 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry 2. 5 times 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 1, 5. 0 times 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. How did I get to 0? 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 0, 0, 0, and 1. When we sum them all up, we're going to have 5 here, 2 here, 0 here gives us 10. Carry 1. 0 all through plus 1, 1. Then 0 and 1. So when we did the operation for 100.5 square, I have 1010025. Where would the point be? point two decimal places. From here, we bring it back. From here, 1 and 2. So after this, we have this. So this is what we are going to use to perform this operation. So we can simply say it from here that, let me create another chamber here, somewhere around here, not to get you confused. Not to get you confused, that means we have 10,302.25. This is 10,100, then 0.25. Subtract. This minus this is 0. This minus this is 0. Point follows. 2 comes down 0. 3 minus 1 is to 0 and 0. Numbers before a single digit is insignificant, so we clean them out. Then after a point, insignificant figure, we clean them out. So what's remaining? We have 202. So the operation here gives us 202. So this can be written as this equal to 202. Mind you, in our initial answer, we have 0.00 and 00. These ones are insignificant. We call them insignificant. They don't add value to these whole numbers. Then after the point two, same thing. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on this channel like this. Take care.